Hello, good morning students. Students, let's start reading the remaining part of this drama. Okay, so we have to start the remaining part from this passage. Teplo really shocked. Teplo really shocked. Oh no, I couldn't cut. When Teplo was suggested by Frank, a young teacher, that instead of waiting for his teacher, he should slip away from there and enjoy the time by playing golf with his friends, since his teacher had been 10 minutes late. And now he could also say his teacher that he had been 10 minutes late. That's why he only waited for him 10 more minutes than that of the appointed time, and he would say him nothing. But Teplo, who was well known to the nature and behavior of his teacher, did not want to take any risk, bete. That's why, being greatly shocked, instead of getting so much pleased, listening to the voice of Frank, Teplo got really so much shocked, and looking really so much shocked or being so much shocked, he firstly expressed his surprise, saying that, "Sir, oh no, sir, it could not be possible. It could not be possible for a student to give such kind of cut to Croker Harris. I couldn't cut. He also told Frank that he could not slip out without getting permission from his teacher. It was not possible for him. Cut the croak, Mr. Croker Harris. Oh, he also added that to pull the wool over the eyes of the croaker, it was totally impossible. Nobody could do so. Cut the croak, cheat the croak, Mr. Croker Harris. How can it be possible? Nobody can cheat Croker Harris, because he was really very hard-natured. He was really very aggressive and very strict behaving person. I shouldn't think. He also told Frank that he could never think of that matter, that subject. It has ever been done. I shouldn't think it has ever been done in the whole time he has been here. Okay, through this statement he told Frank that so long as he had seen Croker Harris, or he had been in the contact of Croker Harris, he had never seen anyone giving such kind of cut or slip to him. That's why he could never think so. God knows what would happen if I did. Oh, he showed his fear, speaking the words, saying that he expressed his sense of fear, saying that God knows it very well what would happen if he gave any kind of if he gave him any kind of such a cut. He could never cheat him in broad daylight. He would probably follow me home or something. Okay, since he was badly afraid of his teacher, that's why he spoke such words. And through these all words, he also mentioned that his teacher could follow him up to his home, and also could take some hard action against him if he did so. That's why he could not take any risk. He could not give any kind of cut to his teacher. Frank, I must admit, I envy him the effect he seems to have on you boys in the form. You all seem scared to death of him. What does he do? Beat you all or something. Okay, envy stands for a bit is hate strongly, dislike. I must admit, while responding to the statements or while speaking something to comfort the feelings of Teplo, Frank told that he would like to accept it that he envy him means he disliked him. He disliked his teacher. He would like to dislike his teacher, especially in context of his rough nature and behavior, because such a teacher who always got such kind of help from his students, innocent students, children, and thereafter he did not give them any kind of promotion. It was really a very bad thing on the part of his teacher. He all seemed scared to death of him. He also told Teplo that it seemed that all students were badly afraid of Croker Harris. They could not speak out against him. They could not open their voice before him. What does he do? Beat you all or something? He also asked Teplo what kind of action his teacher generally took against the students whosoever spoke against him or whosoever tried to stand against him. So he wanted to know about something regarding Croker Harris' nature and behavior, okay, through the voice of Teplo. Teplo, good Lord, no. Good Lord, no. Oh my God, no. How can it be possible? No, sir. Our teacher is not a sadist. He is not a sadist. Sadist stands for a person who gets pleasure from hurting others. A person who gets pleasure from hurting the feelings of others. Okay? He is not a sadist. Okay? Parpidak. Like one or two of the others. Teplo told Frank that his teacher Croker Harris was not such kind of person who always got pleasure hurting the feelings of others, like one or two more teachers who worked at school and who were of the same nature and behavior, who could be called sadist. Frank, I beg your pardon, stands for beta. I don't understand. I am sorry, I have not understood. I am sorry, I want to know something about what you have said to me. Again, Teplo, a sadist, sir, is someone. Now, Frank wanted to know the definition of a sadist from the side of Teplo, and Teplo told Frank that, sir, in his opinion, according to him, a sadist is someone who got pleasure out of giving pain. Here the definition has already been given. A sadist is someone who gets pleasure out of giving pain. Okay, Frank, indeed. Frank also got agreed to the definition. He told him that he was totally right. But I think he went on to say that some other masters. Now there had been some tension in the mind of Frank, because Teplo had told Frank that his teacher was not a sadist except one or two masters at his school. So Frank took his words on him, and he thought that he had called him a sadist. But he directly could not blame on Teplo, saying that he had called him sadist, because Teplo had not called him a sadist, but he wanted to know. Okay, that's why. But I think you went on to say that some our other masters. So through this statement, Frank wished to know, okay, whether there were some masters at the school who could be called sadist. Teplo, well, of course. Teplo, Okay, quite frankly told that yes, he told quite Teplo Frank told Frank quite positively saying that he often found such kind of persons there at school, and they could surely be called sadist. They are sir, they worked as a sadist. Really, they worked as a sadist. They looked like a sadist. I want to mention names, and he also told that he would not like to consider the name of those teachers because he had also targeted Frank there. बेटे Frank को उसने निशाना बना लिया था, but he did not want to call Frank whom he was talking with for a long time, okay, whom he had been talking, who had been discussing for a long time, did not want to, okay, blame him, did not want to call him a sadist. But you know them as well as I do. But he also convinced Teplo also convinced Frank, saying that he also knew the names of those masters who could be called sadist, okay, as better as he knew them, as he knew their name. Of course, I know most masters think we boys don't understand anything. Okay, through the statement he made Frank realize of the fact that most of the teachers thought that the innocent children did not know anything and they could speak any word regarding anything, and they were just like a foolish man. But sir, you are different, you are young, well, but now appreciating Frank, he told that he could not be included in such teachers. His name could not be included in such kind of teachers who always took, okay, the innocent students or the students like him very fool and thought that they had no brain and they were not so sensible children, sensible students. But he also appreciated him, saying that sir, he was not such kind of teacher. He was young, well, comparatively anyway, and you are science, sir, you are really, sir. He told him that he was really young and he looked totally different from all other teachers, all other masters, and he was a teacher in the subject of science. But you must know what sadism is. But he also told his teacher. Finally, he told Frank that he also must know about the true meaning of the sadism. Frank, after a pause, good Lord, what our schools coming to? Having a little pause, having a little break in his voice, Frank remembered God. Oh, Jesus Christ, oh God, good Lord, what are our schools coming to? Okay, in which direction their schools were heading to? उनके अपने विद्यालय आखिरकार किस दिशा में आगे बढ़ रहे हैं? इन बच्चों को कितना ज़्यादा नॉलेज कैसे होने लग रही है, कैसे समझ जाते हैं इन सब बातों को? Teplo, anyway, the croc isn't a sadist. Again, ignoring the previously said words, Teplo told Frank that his teacher, Croker Harris, was not a sadist. That's what I am saying. I won't be so frightening if he were. Sorry, he wouldn't be so frightening if he were. If he had been so much sadist, if he had been as a sadist, he would not be so much frightening. Because at least it would show he had some feelings. But being a sadist, he could have some feelings in his heart. But he hasn't. But now it seems that he is totally out of all humanities. He is totally out of true human-based feeling. He is totally out of all kinds of best qualities and best feelings. He has no attachment, he has no kindness, he has no sympathy. Okay? But once again, I would like to explain the statement for you. Teplo. Anyway, the croc isn't a sadist. Oh, sir, you should not mind to the words spoken by me previously, but again he emphasized saying that his teacher Croker Edge was not a sadist. That's what I am saying. He wouldn't be so frightening if he were. He stands for here. This is the he stands for here. Okay. He stands for here. His teacher. He wouldn't be so frightening. I'm sorry. He stands for a Teplo. He told him that he wouldn't have been so much frightening if he were a sadist, because at least it would show he had some feelings. Because if he had been a sadist, so it could be believed that he would have some feelings in his heart. He would surely have some feelings in his heart. But he hasn't. But he has no feelings. He has no kindness. He has all shriveled up inside. Sorry, he is all, not has, I'm sorry. He is all shriveled up inside like a nut. Shriveled up stands for here, dried completely. Withered, W-I-T-H-E-R-D-D, withered. Like a nut, and he seems to hate people to like him. His teacher is a person of hard nature, hard heart, very strong and hard, okay, and very rough hearted person. His teacher is a man of very hard nature, hard heart, strong nature and behavior. He is all shriveled up inside like a nut. There is no softness, there is no, one could never, sorry, in the past one could never see any kind of softness, bete. He wanted to say that one could hardly find any kind of kindness, softness and sympathy in the heart of his teacher. It seemed that his heart had got dried just like a nut. But he seems to hate people to like him. And secondly, his teacher Croker Harris especially hated the persons, okay, whom he liked very much. Hated the people to like him, especially those people who liked him very much and who praised him, okay, every time, who praised him every time, could not be appreciated by him. It's funny that I don't know any other master who doesn't like being liked. It's funny, it's really very strange thing, I don't know any other master who doesn't like being liked. Okay, through this statement, Teplo wanted to tell Frank, saying that he could hardly see any such a teacher at his school who disliked the students who liked him. जो विद्यार्थी किसी टीचर को चाहता है और चाहने वाले उसी विद्यार्थी जो विद्यार्थी किसी टीचर से बहुत स्नेह करता है, बहुत उसकी तारीफ करता चाहता है, और उसी विद्यार्थी से वह टीचर बहुत ज़्यादा दूरी बना करके रखता हो, बहुत ज़्यादा उसको कोई विशेष प्रकार का अनड्यू एडवांटेज ना देता हो, बेकार का लाभ उसको ना, किसी प्रकार का फ़ायदा ना देता हो। वो कहता है कि बहुत कम ऐसे मुझे मिलते हैं यहाँ पर स्कूल में जो कभी एक बार कोई टीचर काम करवा लेते तो उसका फिर उस बच्चे की वो मदद ज़रूर करते हैं, लेकिन मेरा टीचर क्रोकर हैरिस तो ऐसा टीचर है जो किसी दूसरे की मदद करना चाहता नहीं है। विशेषकर जो उसके बहुत करीब जाता है, बहुत नियरेस्ट एंड डियरेस्ट बन जाता है, तो उसकी तो वह विशेष रूप से बहुत ज़्यादा जो है ना सख्ती से उसके प्रति वो पेश होता है। वो उसके प्रति बिल्कुल भी किसी प्रकार से अपने आप को लीनियंसी के साथ में नहीं दिखाता है। Frank, and I don't know any boy who does not use that for his own purposes. Frank also told Teplo that he did not know any child there at school who did not use that for his own purposes, who did not use the nature and behavior, such kind of nature and behavior of his teacher. When a student worked for his teacher, so it becomes his duty to get full advantage of the same person. And in that case, Teplo was not a good child, a good student in the eyes of Frank. उसने कहा, फ्रैंक कहता है, एंड आई डोंट नो एनी बॉय, और मेरे को कोई ऐसा लड़का इस विद्यालय में नज़र नहीं आता, दिखाई नहीं देता, मुझे कोई ऐसा लड़का मुझे किसी ऐसे लड़के के बारे में जानकारी नहीं है, मैं ऐसे लड़के किसी के बारे में जानता नहीं हूँ, हु डज नॉट यूज दैट फॉर हिज ओन पर्पज, जो अपने अध्यापक के इस प्रकार के अपने खुद के फायदे के लिए अपने अध्यापक का इस्तेमाल ना करता हो, अपने अध्यापक का फायदा ना उठाता हो। टेप्लो, वेल इट इज नेचुरल सर बट नॉट विद द क्रॉक। टेप्लो ऑल्सो एक्सेप्टेड इट, सेड दैट इट वॉज क्वाइट राइट एंड ही whatever he had said was totally right, okay, but it was not correct in the case of Croker Harris. His teacher Croker Harris was not such kind of person who could give any benefit to his students, especially those students who always circled around him, or who always lived very near to him, who always worked hard for him. No, he could never give any kind of undue advantage. So it was totally against his nature. उसने कहा कि सर हमारा अध्यापक क्रोकर हैरिस ऐसा नहीं है जैसा तुम सोच रहे हो, हम उसका काम भी खूब कर देते लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी हमें कोई बेनिफिट मिल जाए ये कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है। इस तरह की बातें उन दोनों के बीच में चल रही होती है। ओके बेटा, द रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट विल बी डिस्कस्ड बाय इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर। थैंक यू।